Hi, today I'm front of me Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's just open the settings app and now we should scroll down to the wallpaper and style section. Just to change your wallpaper, you should click to change wallpaper section. Here we can see all of the available wallpapers which we can select. Here we can see the photos from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera or just downloaded from the internet. Also we can see here the default wallpapers, the dynamic lock screen wallpapers, so we can for example select one from this folder with the wallpapers, and after that when you'll just block your device and refresh it, you'll see the different images just each of the time. For example, let's use now one from the default wallpapers. Just tap on it, unselect the home screen. If you want to change only the lock screen, tap to next. After that you'll see here the preview. Tap to done on the right upper corner and we can see that the changes applied to the lock screen. So now just let's check it, and yes, you can see that's so simple. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold the free space on your home screen with the finger, then on the left down corner tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way just select tap to change wallpapers, and by the same way let's for example use the dynamic lock screen wallpapers. Let's for example use this one. You be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. Just download this folder with the wallpaper. It's now applied to our lock screen, so let's just lock the device. Now we can see that every time we got the another wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.